Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete page on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Facebook page, Facebook app, and click on double click menu option, then shows your page. Okay, click on menu, then scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Okay, tap on settings and scroll down, click on this option, access and control, then tap on delete and click on continue to delete page on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.